Hello and welcome to Buddy Talks, where we talk about life, love, struggles, and inspiration. So today with us we have Talasha Sawant, who is a wellness counselor as well as she's a writer and a host. So the next guest for today is Ketki Thanki, who is a wellness counselor as well as she's a dancer and a choreographer. So in case अभी किसी को अपना शादी कोरियोग्राफ करने गए, मेरे को कॉल करो, इसको मत कॉल करो, इसको फॉलो भी मत करो इंस्टाग्राम में, क्योंकि गांधी चाहिए मेरे को मेरे बैंक में. Okay, so the topic for today is mental health, and I know it's a little serious topic, but of course we had to speak about this because this is something which is I feel really necessary at this point. कि थोड़ा मजाक मस्ती हुआ है 2 episodes में, so now a thing which is very important to us. So okay, so कितकी कैसी है तू? पहला question for the day, कैसी है तू?
I am good. How are you?
Good, yeah. And how are things going up with this COVID thing? And
You can say we are going on. I think like we are being adaptable to the situation. Exactly. So like we learn to adapt to things. So learning new things, reflecting on the time, and yeah, it's been going. It's been going.
And it's different because you're used to having sessions in person with people, and now you have to do everything online.
Online.
Yeah, so adapting to that also.
Exactly, like being virtual, kind of like learn. In that also, like you're learning new things about how you need to make sure going virtual can have the same impact as how having a session in person could be. So like creating that kind
majority of the things are online now.
Yes.
Yeah. So like creating like a safe
space
on online platform or like a virtual platform becomes even more challenging yet creative. We need to get creative also at the same time. So
But Ketki, you were a dancer.
Yeah.
I knew her as a dancer. So I remember we met in 15. So where Ketki used to say must dance karti thi. So now she's completely transformed as a person. I remember her being so different, and now meeting you this way is so different.
Yeah.
Okay, but where did you find this whole thing about wellness counseling? How did you come across this?
So my entire life passion was to become a dancer, which is why I started dancing and I met you and everything. And I was fully happy and there was a point where I was fully happy. And like, I'm getting to dance.
Yeah.
And that's been one of my biggest passions, which I'm getting to do. Still, I was not happy.
Okay.
Still, I was not
Somewhere,
happy. There was something which was missing. Like, there was something which was missing. So I spoke to one of my friend, and my friend helped me like bring it down line. Like, what is it that you like doing?
But when did you start this? मतलब ये कब पता चला कि
By say 2016, like mid
you came
2016, I came to know. Like, I started my dance career in 2015. 2016 end May, I came to know that something's missing. Like, I don't know what is it. I like that dance happiness that dance gives me, yet there's something missing. So I spoke to one of my friend, and he helped me break it down and helped me understand that what is it that you like doing. So there were many things, but the one which was standing out more is listening to people, helping people. People would approach me because they love talking to me, and they love that I listen to them.
Okay.
So yeah, and then later I wanted to stay in Goa because Goa has always been in my heart. I've never wanted to leave Goa. And when I was doing my research, I came to know that there is a master's degree in wellness counseling, which was just like 5 minutes from my house. And at the same time, considering I'm coming from a BBA background, because counseling or wellness counseling, they need to have like a psychology background.
Okay.
You need to do your bachelor's generally, but this was one of the degree which
Allowed people from different backgrounds to come together.
From different streams, because that is how they think, like it's a holistic.
But it's not because you were in depression or something, no? You
No.
तो लगा पैसा बचाने के लिए मैं खुद ही कोर्स करती हूँ. वैसे
Clearly not. I loved working with children. I loved working with young adults, teens, and people. So yeah, that's how My wellness counseling journey started in 2017, and I don't think I've ever not been grateful for each and every day that I get to live as a wellness counselor and the transformation that this degree and everything has brought.
Very.
So yes.
So Talasha, about you, what inspired you to become a wellness counselor?
So I always wanted, or I was always oriented towards working with people, and it all started. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a lawyer, and
Okay.
then it boiled down to this psychology when I was introduced in 11th and 12th standard. So from there, I knew I wanted to do something in the field of
Okay.
psychology. So I wanted to do like. There are quite a few courses in Goa that are available, but I chanced upon wellness counseling totally by luck. There was somebody that told me that there's this course that is based on positive psychology,
Okay.
and it focuses on strengths, and it was new at that point of time. It was like a leap of faith that I took, and then like Ketki, I've not regretted that decision ever since.
It's like everything happens for a reason, and like I think like for her, like she's a living example. I'm a living example of that. Like everything happens. For a
But
reason.
I have this one thing. So basically, जब भी मैं I meet a lot of people from at least my industry, and also from, because I have a couple of friends who are into counseling as well. But you know, the one thing, as you listen to so many people, not people also, you listen to so many souls. उनके बारे में आप जानते हो, ये करते हो, you try to understand them. Somewhere down the line, you become like ऐसा बाबा टाइप्स फीलिंग आता है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ में जो भी फ्रेंड्स है, सो अभी बिकॉज वी इंटरेक्ट सो मच विद सो मेनी पीपल, क्योंकि हम लोग बैठते हैं तो बात करते हैं, फिर लाइफ स्टोरी निकलता है, फिर उसके बारे में निकलता है, जब तू इतना लोगों को जानता है, सो योर नॉलेज ऑफ अवेयरनेस टूवर्ड्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग समवन इमोशन बिकम्स, आई फील, मतलब बहुत अच्छा बन जाता
Becomes
है,
wide.
वाइड, बिकम्स वेरी वाइड, बिकॉज ऑफ because you have a knack of listening.
Your horizon expands.
Expands.
Yeah.
Because you also, the worst thing that I guess is not happening is we don't have time to listen to people.
Yeah.
And that's one of the things we feel which affect a lot on this whole situation.
It affects everybody.
Because life is also so fast यार, अभी क्या गलती भी किसी का नहीं है.
It affects everybody for that matter. I mean, like, so it's like to add to that, like, I mean, you won't realize that the other person is seeing that you're not listening. Automatically, he will mellow down and he will stop talking. And then he wouldn't want to open it up to you at all, because he or she knows that, she was not listening
To me.
Yeah. So
I
like,
think what happens also now is we here to reply and not to really empathize
Yes,
with the other person.
that's one important.
Okay, I need to say something. I
मेरे
need to
को
make
तो-
this person feel better, and then everything is lost in that process.
मेरे को तो इसका आंसर मालूम है, I have to, पर वो राइट है कि रॉन्ग है, we never cross check.
yeah.
So ये बहुत गलत चीज़ है एक्चुअली. We all want to answer even if the question is right, as in is it really, I really know the thing, I really know things about that thing is vague. But a lot of times people just want to talk about it. मतलब पता है कि नहीं पता, उसका कुछ thought नहीं है उसके पीछे. But also now that you have come together, so what is this whole brand of yours? Brand नहीं है, but of course you've come to help people.
Yes.
That's
so, Towards a Better You is a mental health page currently, and we are working on making it as a firm, practical company. Soon we are in works with that.
So now अभी आते हैं हम लोग important question पे, और वो है मेरे को एक्चुअली मेरा डिप्रेशन के लिए मेरे को 2 लोग चाहिए थे जिससे मैं अपना ये करूँ, और मेरे को मिल गए. मैं पॉडकास्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया, अपना डिप्रेशन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बेसिकली व्हाट इज मेंटल हेल्थ? हाउ डू यू, व्हाट इज मेंटल हेल्थ?
So basically, mental health is your social, psychological well-being, where a person is healthy, and when you say a person is healthy, all of us have stresses in
Yes.
life, but when you're able to cope with these stresses effectively without letting these stresses drown you, that's when you are mentally healthy. You can say that you are a mentally healthy person, and then you can also make contribution towards your society, like we said, with the
Yeah.
name of Towards a Better You.
It
Once you're
also-
healthy, you work towards, you contribute positively towards the
So
society.
it also includes your mental and your emotional well-being as well.
Okay.
So wherein in order to, like, you say it from psychological, social, your mental and your emotional. So you work on all these areas in order to like I said during at the start when I said that we are adaptive. Humans are very adaptive to nature. So even for stresses or even for difficult times or challenging times, you learn to adapt to things, but it depends on how are you coping with them.
Coping with it.
Are you coping with them in a healthier manner? Are you coping with them in a unhealthier manner?
Okay.
An unhealthier manner has its own repercussions. So that is where you can say mental health professionals and mental health advocates and mental health counselors, they come into picture wherein they help you to pause, think rationally. Think rationally. And it's like it's okay to feel certain thing, it's okay to like behave in a certain manner, it's all justifiable, because normally people find it too much. They give themselves like a biggest guilt trip. Arey, why am I behaving this way, why am I reacting this way? They find it hard. I used to feel that why am I so emotional, because I've been hearing people telling me. But now for that matter, I mean, after I went for my masters, after we both did our masters, I came to like I have stopped I've stopped making it hurt me so much that why am I so emotional.
Okay.
I take it as my strength, and that's why people come to me. That's why people come and they want to talk, because I respond in a manner which needs to be responded properly. So yeah.
So, what are the various common symptoms that you find in people who have mental issues? Because I feel this is what I feel is, we all go through mental issues. It's just the way we cope up with it. मतलब डिप्रेशन तो सबको होता है, लेकिन वो किस लेवल ऑफ डिप्रेशन में है, विच इज व्हाट वी ट्राई नॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब आजकल एज यू सेड, हम लोगों का इनिशियली कॉन्वर्सेशन होता था, एज यू सेड नो, आजकल डिप्रेशन इज लाइक हर कोई दूसरे दिन बोलता है मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ. बट डिप्रेशन का स्केल क्या है, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Which is what like we want to like spread it out or
like मेरे में तो बचपन से मैं तो डिप्रेस्ड ही हूँ.
That is, I mean, that's how
क्योंकि मेरा अगर तू फोन खोल के देखेगी 10 गाना में से 9 आतिफ असलम है और एक रहेगा कुछ और. तो मेरे को मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में यही है, ये आया.
So I think people use the term depression very loosely, like we were talking. Sadness is different from depression. We all can be sad. I can be sad this morning and come and take over this entire
session which is going on.
But depression is something more than just that. I'm sad today. Like I'm depressed. Like it is not that.
अरे टीचर ने मेरे को चिल्लाया, टीचर ने मेरे पे चिल्लाया, I'm depressed. My mom fired me, I'm depressed. No, it's not.
Depression is very
very complex.
It is a combination of, we spoke about social, emotional, your personal life struggles that also come in. It's also physical. There are a lot of changes in your chemicals in the brain and things like that. So it's like an interaction. So to be diagnosed with depression, they say that you need to have the following symptoms. I'm just going to touch very loosely, okay? So where not go too much technical so that everyone understands that, okay? Not loosely, not go too technical. Where you need to experience persistent feelings of sadness, and you lose interest in everyday activities. So suppose Kirti like dancing, Kirti stops dancing.
Yeah.
And then the other symptoms that need to be present is maybe you sleep too much, you sleep too less, you eat too much, you eat too less, you have suicidal thoughts also. So these are like a few symptoms.
You cut off socially.
Isolation.
Completely.
Yes.
Like you don't get out of your bed also for 2 months.
That becomes like
1-2 months.
Yeah.
It becomes
ये मतलब that this is like next level.
No, but this in order to clinically diagnose yourself from depression, you need to have these same symptoms for a period of 2 months
and over.
And
then you can
then you can say that you are depressed.
But the important thing I think to touch on is you cannot self-diagnose yourself and say
yes, you need to go to
Google करो.
Google also never sometimes like
is not
gives you
the doctor.
correct
Yeah. Nah, basically Google ही तो सब answer.
Just because
I am
Google
depressed.
provides you all the answers, that doesn't mean Google is always right. Google also requires somebody to resource it from. So you need to make sure you go to a good clinical psychologist and or a psychiatrist and diagnose
Get yourself
get yourself
properly
diagnosed.
diagnosed.
Yeah, and that's when like it like
Then you can
the
get the
tests and
appropriate help.
everything.
Yes.
So generally, you don't come to know that this person is mentally
Some of us
mental
are
problem.
very good at showcasing to the
Showcase.
world that
They are
everything
कुछ
is
नहीं,
going
life चालू है,
on,
मस्त
there
है.
are internal struggles that are going on.
Yeah.
There might be certain cries for help. Maybe if you're vigilant, if you're a friend that knows a friend for a very long time. Suppose if I know Ketki and Ketki is acting a little off, like from her usual self, then I know maybe something is
Okay, missing,
I cannot say that she's mentally ill or something, but I can ask her and see how I can help her. Or things like that.
Like I mean, say for like going with the same example. Like I mean, people know me as a very bubbly person. So suppose suddenly like I just like shut off completely, or like say I normally like we have every day like because we run a mental health page. Like I am normally in touch with her and
And we are also friends. We are not
Yeah.
just running mental health page
Mental.
together.
yeah. just because like we run a page together doesn't mean like we are only like partners in that. Like before that, like we did our masters together, and that's how like we've gotten really close. And if I'm not ranting her about my daily schedule or whatever goes on, she will know that something's off.
Something's
or
off,
she will
okay.
just check up, like is everything okay and everything. So yeah, that's how. So these are the like the not warning signs, if I can say, but like
Things you need to like notice.
look out,
minute, like certain
look
things.
out, like and these are like she had put out earlier. Like these are the subtle things. You know, if you take care of these
Subtle things, small
things, that makes an impact. So if you don't look at them, so imagine like in a school setting, imagine in a house setting, and imagine in a corporate setting. You know, there are so many, and even on the social media, there are so many videos which are talking about mental health. Like look out for these signs. You know, so that needs to be taken care of. So yeah.
क्योंकि just I'll share one of my experience now. I really don't know कि ये कितना prevalent towards the depression is basically now this is one of my childhood stories भी नहीं है, मतलब ये है. So basically जब मैं छोटा था तब मेरे को I was not so great in my studies. ठीक है. So now as I grew, you start talking to a lot of people in your area. So what used to happen is comparison. So does comparison also puts you into depression for a young mind जिसको पता भी नहीं है depression मतलब ये एक टॉपिक ही नहीं है उसके लिए. एंड फ्रॉम माई जनरेशन आई कैन से सो उस टाइम में तो डिप्रेशन तो कुछ था नहीं, ऐसा डिप्रेशन ऐसा वर्ड तो था ही नहीं. ओके, सो डिप्रेशन बोलेगा तो मम्मी की तरफ से एक और मिलेगा, ये ले डिप्रेशन का दवाई. सो पर लेकिन अदरवाइज अभी मेरे को नहीं मिलता था उस टाइम में गुड मार्क्स. सो व्हाट इज एज सून एज द रिजल्ट यूज टू कम तो मेरा स्टॉप होता था फॉर 15-20 डेज. स्टॉप होता था कि मैं नीचे जाऊंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, क्योंकि अमॉन्ग किड्स हम लोग में एक कॉन्वर्सेशन था कि अरे इसको कम मार्क्स मिला है, उसको वो मार्क्स मिला है, इसको ये. तो वो डर, वो डर से मैं नीचे नहीं आता था. पर अब 15-20 दिन के अंदर मैं नॉर्मल होता हूँ कि किसी को याद ही नहीं है. बट दैट ऑलवेज यूज टू दैट हैविंग दैट स्केयर विच समवन वुड कम टू मी एंड आस्क अरे हाउ मच यू गॉट इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. तो मैं ये डर के कारण नहीं जाता था. सो इज दैट ऑल्सो गेटिंग स्केर्ड ऑन थिंग्स? सो इज दैट ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ being into depression or something?
I think it is being
Part. So emotions basically that pull you down as a person, what you generally are as a person, and they show a certain kind of difference in you after a certain time, which you as you said you regularly do this dance, but now you stop doing it because of some emotion. कुछ तो transfer हो गया ना emotion that you were regularly. तो that also is a part of depression कि मैं डर रहा हूँ, अचानक से मैं आया और घर पे मेरे को
no, I wouldn't say that.
Say that as a
Yeah.
depression.
You could be sad. Not like every time you're sad, you cannot say you're
Depressed.
You are probably scared about. I don't want to like get into like
Face it.
Yeah,
Facing it.
like maybe anxious about what might happen.
face
that,
it.
Maybe your self-esteem was getting impacted. Definitely not.
True.
Definitely.
Self-esteem actually is very important.
So I
And-
mean like how self-esteem also like I mean if you're how there's a shift which happens in self-esteem is also what surrounds you. You know, like who are you surrounding yourself with? It depends from like coming from your family, your support group mein matlab your friends, your school friends, how do they look at you? How are they treating you? How are you treating? And that's how you start treating yourself.
You make that story your own.
You know?
You say, Ketki, you're not smart.
So I will definitely believe.
keep telling you you're not smart.
Smart.
And after some time,
Start
you're like,
believing
I'm
it.
not smart.
So just like how earlier also in the previous question you asked me, and I told you that like many people have been telling me, Kitty, you're very emotional. You know, I start like for few years, yes, I was like kept on telling myself, yeah, I'm emotional. What can I do? And I used to feel bad about it because I'm emotional. But I'm sorry, but I mean that becomes a strength right now. That's because I've worked on my self-esteem. So if you work on your self-esteem as a kid, it won't affect you even if like if kids come up and tell you like, oh, how much marks did you get, and if you can say like I flunked, I myself.
But in these things, you require a lot of support from
Yes,
your
that's what
parents, which is I feel the main reason of mental issue. क्योंकि अभी मेरे को कोई बोल रहा था कि ना भी मैं गाँव whenever I go to my native place, मतलब डिप्रेशन तो कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है उधर, बट अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग मेरे को ये सब सुनने को मिलता है कि अरे ये तो सब अमीर लोगों का चीज़ है, और या तो फिर ये जनरली सिटीज में जो लोग रहते हैं ये उनका सब चीज़ है. हाँ बट हाँ इट्स हाईली मिस्टेकन, क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट कि मेंटल हेल्थ गांव में होने से अच्छा होता है और शहर में होने से डिप्रेस होते हैं इंसान.
Firstly, if you are a human, you have a mental health.
हाँ
If you're taking care of your physical health,
हाँ.
you will have a mental
मेंटल हेल्थ.
right? I mean, I remember going to Kerala. So I had gone to Kerala to conduct seminars in different schools. Sadly, like what happens is, I mean, like I don't know whether it's correct to say or it's not correct to say, but like when considering Kerala has been like the most literate state, but still they are like the students and over there, they are not aware of what is mental health.
Okay.
So I asked them, I'm like, it was like a bunch
How
of-
old those kids were?
So they will be like from say 5th to 10th. So till 10th
So
standard,
around
nobody
11
knew.
to 14 years of
Yeah,
age.
yeah. So they did not know what is mental health. So I asked them, like I broke it down to them, like, do you have physical health? Do you take like, do you
Care of running.
care of- exactly. So like if you're not well, you would go to a doctor if your leg is
Leg is broken. हाँ.
right? Similarly, if something is not good with you mentally, so you would go, and that is your mental health. So that's how like I would explain it to them so that they understand.
Understand.
I think one of our goals, one of our goals is towards a better you. Since we are wellness counselors, it is more preventive, we take steps before something wrong, not wrong, but something that pulls you down happens, So with regards to kids, for example, it is important, we are in this environment, I think, where we focus on what we lack. We don't focus on what
we
already have.
Which is very important.
I'm not good at maybe
100
studies.
things. Yeah.
But I might be a great artist, I might be a great footballer, I can do so many other things. So why aren't those things focused on?
To add to that, we always see like if you're not good in studies, like you are good in arts or whichever other field. But at the same time, don't forget that you're a good daughter. Don't forget that you're a good sister. Don't forget these things also.
Yeah, other things also.
You're worthy.
Worthy.
You are valuable. This is how your self-esteem is brought up. So these are the things which
We don't
to
want
add
like
to it.
your marks in your report card don't define you.
True.
True.
Yeah.
But what are the common symptoms that you come into mental health?
Now
There are a lot of different kinds of mental illnesses. They say that
Depression is one.
is one of the second most, I think, leading things that make
Second most. What is the first one then?
first one. I am not really sure, but first.
Oh, मेरे को लगा ये तो डिप्रेशन तो नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे.
it will be
एंजाइटी?
No, it is.
anxiety. No,
It's some what lead.
इसका रैंकिंग कौन करता है? ऐसा इनका भी रैंकिंग होता है?
People do a lot of
On cases.
research.
Number of okay. Okay.
World
Pull all
Health
this-
Organization.
Yeah,
is
pull all
there.
this research
Okay.
together and see probably
Then
how.
even World Mental Health Federation. So the World Mental Health Federation is like the biggest body
All.
in the world who takes care of mental health, and they pass it to World Health Organization.
WHO.
That's WHO. Yeah. So these people, they take care of
Surveys.
They give
They
you
have
the
their surveys.
data that this is at the number 1, this is at number 2. Like so that's why take care of it.
इंडिया कौन सा रैंक में आता है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ में?
We didn't.
So the depression is basically because according to my knowledge, एक layman knowledge is depression हो गया एक symptom, मतलब जो है, और एक anxiety है, दो चीजें. उसके अलावा what are the other things?
Anxiety and depression are like
Two different things.
So
Yeah.
anxiety basically depression basically the underlying feeling is sadness,
Sadness.
and anxiety is fear. It is irrational.
Oh,
fear.
हाँ.
So you're like get up. You can be fearful of heights, but it can be irrational fear also. You know, like so.
It could be also about
Like-
reaching on time.
Yeah, like
You know, like constant
Yeah.
that restlessness.
Oh, हाँ.
You know, like नहीं होगा क्या नहीं होगा ऐसा नहीं होगा तो like और say for example
there is
like,
no visible
ये तो एक बंदी को
danger.
जानता हूँ
There
मैं.
is no visible danger, and you're still like fearful about it.
it's not tangible, you can say, in the first place. It's
I
not
think a nice
bodily
way to,
reactions.
No, I think the nice way to put that is it just takes over you.
Yeah.
You're just incapacitated.
Yeah, you
Your
can't
normal
really
fear
do
is not
anything
like
about
that. Anxiety, I think, makes the person feel.
Is also if I take something and I keep it here. Okay, I keep it here. But अभी केतकी को तो हैबिट है कि ये इधर ही होता है.
It could make me anxious.
No,
It
but
could.
see,
Is it a part of anxiety? Towel bed में कैसा है? बाहर.
But I see, like, there are different types of depression. You have seasonal depression now. See, in the States and all of that, not States, in the UK, now it's very cold now with like climate, seasonal depression.
Oh, okay,
You have
हाँ.
Bipolar, you have different things. So under anxiety also, you have different things under that.
हाँ.
So you might have.
These are rich kind of anxiety
No,
feelings.
I know.
Firstly, don't term it as rich.
नहीं ये मैं जोक था गाइस, थोड़ा सीरियसली मत लो. हाँ मैं मजा कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा लाइवली रखने के लिए.
Obsessive.
Obsessive.
compulsive.
हाँ.
So you cannot diagnose people based on these small things. You will actually need to go to a psychiatrist and do this. Telling you again, don't self-diagnose yourself. It is harmful.
Harmful. But what is commonly depression में? What are the common cases that you get? Depression में
Cases, it varies
breakups?
from person to
No,
person.
no. Okay.
All of us are individuals, and what is impacting Ketki or
Might not impact you, might not impact
नहीं but common reason मतलब जैसे कि
you as
पेरेंट का कुछ प्रेशर हो गया तो बच्चा आया, या तो फिर ब्रेकअप हो गया, someone is not able to overcome that breakup, और या तो किसी का शादी टूट गया है, जो भी है. तो ऐसा कॉमन मतलब क्या है जो बहुत रेगुलरली ये तो होता ही है, ऐसा कोई केस मतलब नॉट
It
गिवन
depends what population you
कॉमन
deal with also.
टॉपिc you can say.
like she says, it depends on what age group you're dealing with. Like abhi take
Okay, if I
that
take it like from 15 to 25.
15 to 25 is adolescents and young adults.
So we were just reading about this today morning. I was
Yeah.
telling her actually. So there was a research that was done, and it was found that the age group that is most impacted by the pandemic is the age group from 18 to 25. Why?
Oh.
29 or 29. And why? Because we feel that it is an all or nothing thing where I either have all of this or I don't have anything.
Anything.
So now the pandemic, I don't have anything. So then, you know, you feel like you're invincible, and this sort of brings out that feeling. Okay, if I go out, I might get the virus inside. I'm not
Oh,
invincible.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So one of these during the pandemic, this is
So
one of the things.
this is where we come in, like wherein we help you change your thinking pattern. You know, like how she said, it's all or nothing. Or like every time, like say for example, any bad experience happen, like sab mere se hi
Sab.
ho. Like everything happens to me.
Self blame.
Self blame, or else you put the blame on
Someone
else.
else.
So these are different negative thinking patterns that you need to work on one by one after the other, or like break it down. So that's how like a counselor or a mental health practitioner sits with you and like, you know, takes one instance or one situation, breaks it down. How are you feeling? What is your reaction? What is your behavior? You know, and how, so so the counselor makes you work. Okay, say for example, suppose after this, what if this could have happened?
Okay.
What if this could have happened? So each will have like a domino effect, or each will have like a cascading effect, that one affects the other. So your thought affects your feeling affects your behavior.
And then it's a cycle.
It's a cycle.
Cycle.
So basically, it starts everything with thought. And I think to add to what Ketki said, as counselors, we are not advice givers.
Yeah, we are
Not the final
No,
thing.
we don't give.
we
if I
don't
give
make
a-
decisions
for you.
basically.
So we want you to have control over.
So it's basically like if you want to go out और तुम दीवार के सामने ऐसे खड़े हो और तुम दीवार फोड़ रहे हो सिर से, you are one of those people who will say, take 2 steps back, observe the room, see if there is a door, if there is a window, if there is something else, use those things. नहीं तो ये common है because in career also हम लोग आधे तो टाइम लाइफ में उसी चीज को मारते हैं क्योंकि हम लोगों को बोला गया है कि नो हिट हार्ड डू दिस यू विल स्ट्रगल दिस दैट बट हम लोग वी हाफ ऑफ द टाइम वी डोंट स्टेप बैक एंड चेक ओके मेरे पास ये स्किल्स भी है लाइफ में और मैं ना उसको इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे रहा हूँ और आधा तो टाइम जो मेरे में पावर है विच आई फेल्ट ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड तो आई ऑलवेज थिंक मैं तो वाज ऑलवेज बीन इनटू डांसिंग ठीक है तो दिस कोविड इनिशियली तो मेरा लग गया था पहला 2-3 महीना क्योंकि मैं यू आर सो यूज्ड टू गोइंग आउट ये डांस अरे बंद जो फिजिकली एक्टिवेट करता वही नहीं है देन व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड अभी बोर हो रहा है घर पे सो हमारे घर पे कुक था सो वी टोल्ड ओके चल अभी तू वो भी नहीं आ रहा है तो हम लोगों ने कुकिंग चालू किया मतलब आई वॉज ऑलवेज गुड विद कुकिंग बट आई ऑलवेज लिव्ड अलोन सो आई वॉज गुड इन कुकिंग बट मैंने उस पर आई नेवर फोकस्ड इन मतलब जो बट देन व्हेन ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन आई स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद थिंग्स आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग ओ ये मैं कर सकता वो कर सकता सो माई एनर्जी ट्रांसफर टू समथिंग एल्स सो आई रियलाइज ओके ये मेरे लिए फ्यूचर में अगर मैं कहीं पे कुछ मतलब ऐसा टाइम आएगा कि मेरे लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ये एक ऑप्शन बचता है
So just because COVID, you sat down and you reflected on what are the things you're good at. But if COVID had to not be there, do you do that in a general life?
नहीं लाइफ चल रहा है मस्त पैसा आ रहा है खत्म लाइफ
Exactly.
क्या टेंशन
Which is what we, I mean, like.
हाँ बट इट इज वर्क टू गुड ऑल्सो एंड इट इज सम एक्सटेंड इट हैज
Like it can be
बुरा हुआ
burnout,
लोगों
or if you don't take time for yourself, then you're not in touch with
yourself
what you are feeling, what is affecting you. So taking that time out, switching off taking time out doesn't mean like you're on your phone and like
Being constantly distracted,
Yeah.
like keeping yourself busy the whole day, just because you don't want to avoid, just because you don't want to deal with whatever it is
situation
feeling inside, you know, that itself. And then what happens is you in those distractions also you put it out on them, you know, you pass on the same energy
okay
to those people, so that itself impacts you and the other person. So imagine how each and every one, if they are distracted or if they are going out and like, you know, spreading that, it just creates a big problem for everybody. So yeah.
Thank you so much for watching the first episode on mental health. Make sure you do like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can watch the second episode. And thank you so much Ketki and Talasha for being here. And stay tuned for the second episode.